So today we have something interesting for you guys, and it looks like this. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. Hi guys, welcome back. Yes, back to another YouTube video. My name is Robin, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified every time I drop another dance tutorial. And today we're going to be doing a dance challenge called head movement. I'm sure you guys have seen this on TikTok, most probably. And without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. This is your right because this is my right, and this is your left because this is my left. This video is mirrored. So without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, our first move is going to be hands there, and then we're going to use our waist. You want to move your waist like that, yeah? So just try and move your waist out like that, and then your hands are going to go one. You get it? So I'm going to go 1, 2, ka. You get it? So 1, 2, ka, da, going up twice. So it's a 1, 2, up, ta. You get it? Right. We're gonna try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8, ta. And then you're gonna do the fast move. If you stay in South Africa, you probably know this fast move. You do it like this. Yeah. First step, let's go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 1, ka, fast. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then you go ta, so you jump. 1, 2, 3. You hold. This is a jump. Yeah. So from here, I wanna jump here. And then you're gonna move like that. So you move with your left going forward and your hand going back. You act like there's something dragging you this side. You change side, and then you do the same thing using your right. You get it? So it's something like this. You get it? Try from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 1, ka. Fast. There you go. 1, there you go. 2. You get it? First step, you got it? We try first step again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, ka. Fast. There you go. Ka. You get it? Okay. Second step, you're gonna go ka with your right leg. You get it? So it's gonna go ka. Try and stand on your toe here, because it will look weird when you're straight. But if you stand on your toe, on your toes on your left, it will look nice. Yeah. So you go da. You got it? Second step. This is how we do our first step in the second step. I hope it makes sense. So da twice. And then you are gonna do another fast movement, which is ka down, swipe. You get it? So we're gonna go from the tap. So you go ta, chest, leg, down, twist. So you twist your leg this side. You get it? And then your leg comes this side. Try one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Chest, leg, down, swipe. You get it? Chest, leg, down, swipe. That's the pace. So what? Ta. Nice. So ta. You get it? Yeah. After 1, 2, 3 there, you're gonna push your leg down, and then you're gonna tap there, and then you're gonna go. You get it? So your leg is here, you wanna put it down, tap, move, there, and then you're gonna go. You want to do the same movement that you do when you do this, but with your hands here. So it's just gonna be like that. You get it? Try that. 5, 6, 7. There you go. Ta. Go. Da. Try from the top. 5, 6, 7, Ka 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 ka. Chaka 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 cha. Chaka chaka cha. Chaka chaka cha. Da 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 da. Yeah. Let's continue. Our last movement is pretty simple. Yeah. So you're gonna take this leg and then you drag it. So when you drag it, this leg is gonna go up on your toe again. So you're gonna do that and then change. You get it? It's like a Michael Jackson, bro. But you move. You get it? Like that. You get it? You get it? Yeah, that's our third move. Third and the last move. And then your hands are gonna be here. And then you're gonna go because you wanna spice it up, you know. Okay. That's how you do it. We're gonna try slowly from the top in 5, 6, 7, 8. Ka 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 ka. Fast, 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 fast. Go. Da 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 da. Look at the All right, we're gonna try with the music. Let's see how it goes.
Anyways, ladies and gentlemen, if you watched until this end, thank you so much. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified every time I drop a new video. Anyways, if you want private classes, please DM me right here at Robin Chaser on Instagram. And if you caught the routine, post it on TikTok, post it on Instagram. Let's see it. Tag me. Let's see what you're on about, man. Let's see. Anyways, without wasting your time, ladies and gentlemen, we catch you on the next one. Peace.